Out here getting one last crack at the 911 showing. We're just on the center area of the lower vein, about to pull off some material that is sulphide quartz material, and you'll see just how nice it is. Okay, take a look at this. Can't tell me that's not prime mineralization right there. So we're going to pull out a bunch of samples and then we'll show you them at the end. Been hammering for quite a bit to get a bunch of this material out here. About to get a nice big chunk out here. Look at that. Nice mineralization. Got another piece coming out here, hopefully. That's what we got here. That is heavy. Massive sulphides. This is probably, I'd say at least 8 to 10 kilograms. Nice sample. While I've been hammering over here and removing samples, J2 has been clearing out some samples from this area. As you can see, the sulphides, nice big boulders. See the vein exposed there. We've found mineralization from underneath our pile here where we cleared all this out, underneath there, all the way down here, and it's present all along here as well. So let's look at some samples. So we're taking a look at some of the samples now. You have samples that are massive sulphides like this. And then you also have samples that have mostly chalcopyrite and quartz and stringers of chalcopyrite in your silicified schistose rock. You can see the coarse and fine pyrite. You have chalcopyrite in the quartz. In the massive sulfide areas, your chalcopyrite is fairly evenly disseminated. But you do, on occasion, have patches like this. Another example of massive sulphides. So far today we've removed about 150 kilograms of this material just from the two sides in the center area of the lower vein. Lots of chalcopyrite in this piece here. I'm not going to show every sample because we have about 300 or 400 pieces. All this darker black looking mineral is actually very dark blue if you look up close, and that is chalcopyrite that has weathered. Here's a good example of more of the black. More massive sulphides. The next few samples are silicified schists with stringers of chalcopyrite. Majority of mineralization in these stringers is chalcopyrite, minor pyrite. Here's some more. This is mostly chalcopyrite. Same with this. And we got some more of the quartz, chalcopyrite, minor pyrite samples. I got about 25 samples left I'll show. Try and show some of the bigger chunks that we've pulled out. A few more small ones. And more of your quartz, chalcopyrite, minor pyrite. Combination of massive sulphides on the end attached to quartz with varying degrees of pyrite and chalcopyrite. And we have a couple more left here I'll show you. And here's the last piece. It's all chalcopyrite in there. This piece has little pyrite from what I can tell. So these are just samples we've pulled from this side and this side today. That's it for the video. Have a good one.